for logging on to my channel. This your girl Freddie of Freddie King's Home Decor, and I am super excited to show you my new coffee bar. Actually, it's a coffee and tea bar, but I mentioned in the previous video that I was working on a coffee bar design. I finished it and I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. The items in this design were purchased at Old Time Pottery. I purchased the signage from Amazon. Some of the other home decor items came from Home Goods. And of course, Old Faithful, Shop My Home. Those are the locations where I purchased all of the home decor items that were used to complete this design. As you can see, I've arranged everything so it is easily accessible and available when we want to make our coffee or tea in the morning. We have our coffee pot here. We have our Nespresso machine, and because we are often on the go, we have the cups for use in the home, but we also have the takeout or on-the-go cups in the corner to the right of the Nespresso. So it makes it very easy and very convenient, so we don't have to search for anything. Just brew a cup and enjoy. This coffee bar signage was purchased from Amazon, but the actual canisters or containers they're sitting on, these came from Old Time Pottery. I like that the canisters are clear, the jars are clear, and with the chalk, it allows me to write on the front what the actual item is. These are additional signs that just completed the decor from Amazon. This coffee cup came from Home Goods, and I just added the artificial grape decor to create a pop of color on this tiered tray. That is a honey container, so when we do want to have tea, the honey is readily available. However, this is just a home decor item that I've placed there. The actual honey for our tea, we have it in a different form where you can just cut the little straw-like honey and squeeze it into the tea and throw the plastic container away. I actually like this tiered approach right here. We have the on-the-go packs here, whether that's Splenda or Equal, some regular sugar. These are my favorite. We like these coffee types from Amazon. They come with the creamer already included in the pack. And these are different type teas because I am a tea drinker and I love a great cup of tea as well. So just stack these all up and it creates a space saver for one, but it again allows us to have everything readily available. Now that's if we want to have packs individually wrapped, but of course we have two little containers here where we have our everyday use of the creamer and our everyday use of the sugar. So we just can dip that out ourselves. Since my husband and I are the ones who use this, we can just dip that out of those containers and put it in our cup. Of course, you saw the spoon rest there for us to put our spoon. And again, this is just the coffee maker, the Nespresso. And here is where I was showing you the honey packs. They look like straws. We have our regular coffee cups at home, our stirs there, and our on-the-go cups. This design I absolutely love. I just cannot state enough how much I love this, so that making coffee, enjoying coffee, and having all things coffee are in one place and one location. Okay, thanks again for watching. This completes another video of Freddie King's Decked Out Designs. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload future videos. I appreciate your support very much. Thanks again, and I hope that you will connect to my channel for future videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.